everyone, it's Gigi and I have another entry for you guys. This one came from Sheba, who I believe is Sheba's Finds. I haven't opened it. I've opened it, but I haven't looked yet. So, oh wow, that's so sweet. Oh, I love them. They're so pretty. She sent me Prima flowers. I'll leave that there. Oh, and the card is so cute. The envelope, I love it. Isn't that cute, guys? Oh, she has it Velcroed. That's cool. Okay. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. You know, I have 4 cats. Oh, she's so cute. I love this card. This is so cute, Sheba. I love it. And she says, happy birthday. Hello, Gigi. I hope you had a wonderful birthday. Much love, Sheba. Sheba's Finds, yes. And she recommends Miss Little Scrappy. And I think I already follow her, actually. Thank you for entering, Sheba. And I love it. This was so sweet of you. And I love the card. Love it. Thank you, guys. All right, bye.